Give me 30 seconds, and I'll show you the ultimate game changer for your dog's diet. Most dog foods are packed with fillers, low-quality ingredients, and lack the nutrition your dog truly deserves. Sound familiar? Ziwi Peak steam and dried dog food is made with grass-fed beef, organs, and bones, pure nutrition in every bite. This single-protein, grain-free formula is perfect for all breeds and life stages. It's made with an innovative steam and dry process that locks in nutrients, and natural fiber from pumpkin and veggies supports digestion. Plus, dogs love its soft, crunchy texture. Want to give your dog the best? Click the link in my bio and grab this premium food today.